guys haven't seen the other videos, this is a B20V Turbo Integra. Shit. I have the camera just on my seat, kind of wrapped around with the tripod thing, so not gonna be, hopefully it doesn't move too much. But yeah, it's a stock B20 block, B16 head, eBay Turbo kit. My traction, I have a traction bar. This is a DA, so I got a traction bar, and I have to adjust it so the car kind of moves a lot. So yeah, I mean it's raining, so I'm not gonna do no crazy first gear pulls or do a little second right here. Adjust, so when I do a pull, the whole car kind of goes all over the place. I mean, I only made 270s, so not too bad. It feels pretty good. It just spins. It's too wet. I'm on drag radials too, so no traction whatsoever. But yeah, I plan on taking it back to get it retuned once I do some little upgrades to it. Right now it's only on pump gas since it only has 550 injectors. So I came camera a little more up. There we go. And the turbo has, it's like a 50 trim. It's like 100. The turbo cost me like $100, like $120 with the line. So I plan on upgrading to like a GT30 or GT35. I think those are capable of more power. But if you go back to my my video when it was getting dynoed and stuff, saying, I think the head might have been ported wrong too, he was saying, but I don't know. He said either maybe we have some different fucking cams in here, maybe you have B16 cams instead. But who knows? Who knows what the real issue is? But I plan on upgrading little things here and there and taking it to a retune, try to hit 300. I mean, right now it's only at 9 pounds, so it's not too crazy. Mustang right here next to me. Somebody wants this sauce. It's a V6. I'm used to have a 2003 Cobra. I mean, it feels faster than this, but this thing still moves out for what it is. I'll hit a second gear for you guys right here. Two-step for you guys. Oh, by the way, this is all filmed somewhere in Mexico, you know what I mean? Just saying. Guys, well, record the video. Well, this is the end of the test video, so hope you guys enjoyed it.